coffee this morning in my cute little ghost mug, and look, he has like a quilted pattern to him. Honestly, I feel like that would be my personal dream job, designing mugs like this. Now, I do design mugs in my Etsy shop. The one thing that I can't do quite yet is like put shape, I guess you could say, to my mugs. So that's something that I really would love to do because I'm just obsessed. I don't even know. All right, so happy fall day. Went to Dollar Tree. Now, I don't think I have anything new. There might be like one thing, but these are just items I love and items I wanted to just kind of like restock on. So I'm just gonna share that with you guys. But first, my little vest for today. I just finally feel like my life is kind of slowing down in terms of craziness. Starting to get more and more of the house decorated, and I can actually like have room in my head for other things, if that makes sense. So anyways, I digress. The first thing is this little marker storage container. I just now realized that it says marker. Now I'm sure I've like read that before, but I don't know, that just sunk in. But I've been trying to get these anytime I see them because I like how they're clear and I think they're gonna look really pretty in my craft room, and I can like put a bunch of things in it. Not necessarily markers, although it's got like little grippers down at the bottom, so I guess they don't move. But I just thought it was really cute, and I could like put papers and junk journaling things in here. So anytime I see them, I'm grabbing a couple because I'm trying to collect them. I want to have somewhere around 50 of these actually, and I think I have about 10. Next up is this guy right here. I already have one of these as well, and I wanted to also kind of start stocking up, especially on the ones that are black with the glitter. I think it's so pretty and cute. Also just for storage purposes in my craft room. This would also be great for like junk journaling organization. You don't necessarily have to get this color, but these little containers are great to just kind of like throw loose flying things into and keep them secured. So if you need to like do a junk journal clean out this weekend, Dollar Tree's the place to go. This sounds sponsored, it's not. I wish it was. I also wanted to grab a couple more Halloween things as it's like going out of my stores and Christmas stuff is coming in. So I wanted to get another set of these little fabric bags. I think they are so cute. I really want to do something with them from like a care package perspective. I could also junk journal with them, and I can also like fill these up and, you know, do like a special, give it away for like the best costume that kind of like shows up at my door, you know, and they get like extra candy kind of thing. So I don't know, might do that. I've done that before actually. I also got these bags again as well. I am honestly surprised they're still sitting on the shelves at my store. So they're just like the treat bags. They're paper. I love paper bags. There's just something about it that I just love crafting with. But you can also do treats, bring it to the office for the coworkers, you know, for your neighbors, for care packages. But this one's my favorite. The candy corn is the best one, in my humble opinion. So I got those. I also got a set of these little chalkboard tags. I just like them because they're black. I thought that they would be great for junk journaling. I have a bunch of these. This is just something that I wanted to kind of like keep restocking in because all the other ones I've hauled, like last year, I've used them all. So I only have a couple that I've hauled from this year. So I know it's something I love to like reach for. Okay, next up are some more Halloween stickers. I like the sticker set this year, but I feel like Dollar Tree has been so iconic in the past in terms of stickers that I'm not quite seeing it there yet. Like I think this one's my favorite. I think they definitely could have done more this year. The same thing with gift bags. Here's some more gift bags. I wanted to grab another set of these. Dollar Tree has done some of the most jaw-dropping gift bags. I'm just not seeing it the last couple of years, in my opinion, especially with Christmas. So I'm really gonna be holding my breath because I have quite the Dollar Tree gift bag collection. Then I picked up the little buffalo check ribbon. This is just great for every day. Notice that the label's Halloween, so like this particular buffalo check is probably gonna be gone soon. And then I grabbed one of these bat toppers. This was all that was left. I have the whole collection, I believe, like the witch, the cat, the bat. I think there's one more and I forget what it is. Maybe there's even 5 to the collection, but all I found was the bat, and I actually really like the bat. I thought the bat would be cute in a tier tray, but like he could even be cute. I'm gonna just like style it back here. I even have a bat candle back here that I got. Like just setting it up like that. I'm gonna pick up the camera and I'll show you guys. So here's what it looks like. It's pretty simple. Obviously, it does look like a topper. I could also kind of like hide it in my apples if I wanted to. I actually really like the look of it, if I'm being honest. But yeah, just, you know, something as simple as setting it down. I think it looks really cute, and it's $1.25. Next up, I grabbed another pack of these dominoes. I remember when I hauled this, I just saw it again and I wanted to get another set. I like how thin the dominoes are too. So I really don't know why I needed to get another pack of dominoes. It just ended up in my cart. I don't know what else to tell you. I did get another pack of paper. So this is something I just want to like, I think I was thinking of my office because I'm slowly getting it together and I'm hoping to have my office revealed by the end of the month for you guys. And I think I was thinking of office things. So I got this for that. I also found more of these zebra highlighters. I already have some of these, but I don't know what, I really don't know why when I love something, I have to like keep buying it from Dollar Tree. It only happens at Dollar Tree. And I never regret it. I've never regretted it a day in my life, buying it over and over. But yeah, I thought these were really cute. Wanted to put them in my new office. I also picked up some more highlighters. Highlighters are just key in my life. I love them. They're part of also like my everyday, it's an everyday item that I touch constantly. And these are some of my favorite highlighters. Beware with Dollar Tree, they also sell this in a 4-pack. So they sell it in this bonus 8-pack or 4-pack, but both are gonna be the same price. I'm not saying that you always reach for more quantity. You might not need the more quantity, but just to be on the lookout. These are really good markers or highlighters. I really love them. Basically what I do, actually, I hauled another one of my journals. So this isn't every day in my life. Like I sometimes will even carry it with me. Probably need to like maybe go down to a smaller version to fit in my purse. But this is my jot journal, this specific size, and every day I write my to-do list. And every day I cross it off with a highlighter. One colors I did it, the other colors I didn't, and it needs to move to the next day kind of thing as a to-do. So these two things are heavy in my life. And it's been this way for years now. And I don't think I'm ever gonna stop. I also picked up another one of these notepad sets from Dollar Tree. This is my second set that I have. This is the Jot, it's notepads, and you get the pink, blue, and yellow. So cute. I'm gonna put this in my office. The other one I got, I think I'm gonna use for junk journaling, but this one I wanted in my office. So I got that. I also found more of the graph paper, which has been one of my, like, I remember the first time I saw this, I was so excited. So this Dollar Tree had some of this stuff stocked. So I had to get another pack of the graph paper. This is just really fun to journal with. It's also great for bullet journaling. Just look those things up, whether you look it up on Pinterest or YouTube. It's fun. Even to just watch, honestly, it's fun. All right, then I couldn't help myself. because my obsession is just, it's off the charts with composition notebooks. I love them so much, I design them myself and I sell them on Amazon. I don't know if you guys knew that. I know a lot of you actually do. I'll link my Halloween and my Christmas ones down below for you, and you can go check those out. I haven't designed any new ones. I'm hoping to get some new Christmas ones out, but I just love composition notebooks. And I don't ever see myself not buying these. And the ones at Dollar Tree are so good. Oh God, I don't know why I love it so much, but here we are. All right, then I found another one of these little notes organizer. I've bought these so many times in the past, and I've actually gone through a bunch of these. You can obviously take it to the office with you, scribble out your notes. This is also great from a junk journal perspective. Junk journaling is all about including variety of different sheets and different papers and stacking it together. You can definitely tea dye these, coffee dye them, make them look aged. They're just really fun to work with. I picked up some more sunflower seeds. These are just little packets I love to junk journal with. So pretty. And then I did pick up some more Halloween stickers. They're going out. They're just going out. I just grabbed them, I think, for that very reason. But I have several sheets of like both of these. So I got those. And then is this the last thing? Yeah. I got this little coloring book. I will say this, I've been impressed with Dollar Tree in terms of their coloring books for seasonal things. So Halloween, I feel like they hit it off the park. I hauled so many. I have also already hauled this one. I wanted to get it again because I think it's so cute. The stars on the top get me because I love stars. And I think these will be fun to include in junk journal signature pages as well. So I just decided, because it was there, I knew Halloween was going out the door, that I had to get another set. So that's basically it. I don't know that there was actually anything new. I think I've hauled all that, but that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. My annual Halloween candy haul is coming as well. And I'm gonna link my fall playlist, and you guys can go, or my Dollar Tree DIY playlist actually, and you guys can go see all of my past like Halloween DIYs in case you need some inspiration. I haven't done any this year, but the ones that I have done, you can still like do today from Dollar Tree stuff. So that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.